Hello students. In this video, we're about to embark on a super journey to explore the magical world of money. We all use money, whether it's to buy candy or save up for something special, like a bicycle. So, what exactly is money? Well, money is a tool that helps us trade and buy things we need or want. It can come in the form of coins, banknotes, or even digital payments. Money connects people all over the world, allowing us to exchange goods no matter where we live. Speaking of the world, let's talk about some of the most commonly used currencies. Here are a few popular ones. The Great British Pound, GBP, symbol pound, is used in the United Kingdom. The US dollar, USD, symbol dollar, is the currency of the United States. The Indian rupee, INR, symbol rupee, is the official currency of India. The Japanese yen, JPY, symbol yen, is used in Japan. The Australian dollar, AUD, symbol a dollar or dollar, is used in Australia, and finally, the euro, EUR, symbol euro, is used in many European countries like France, Germany, and Italy. Now, here's a little math about money. Did you know that $1 equals 100 cents? So, if you have $1, that's the same as 100 cents. The same goes for the British pound. 1 pound equals 100 pennies. When it comes to using money, we can perform all sorts of math operations, just like we do with regular numbers. Let's look at some examples. Adding money is as simple as adding up numbers. Let's say ANI buys a bunch of items, $5.35, $5.92, $3.42, and more. We can add them up, $5.35 plus $5.92 plus $3.42. Arnie's total bill is $14.69. Subtracting money works the same way. Imagine you have $1,000, and you spend $273.19. How much do you have left? $1,000 minus $273.19 equals $726.81. Now let's look at multiplying money. If a factory pays £13,532.43, how many pennies is that? £13,532.43 times 100 equals 1,353,243 pennies. And lastly, dividing money helps us figure out how much one item costs. If 35 shrugs cost $200.20, we divide the total by 35. $200.20 divided by 35 equals $5.72 per shrug. Now, here's a question for you to think about. If a store sells 10 candies for $3.50, how much would one candy cost? Make sure to share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 5 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.